Meaning of evening paper.
Evening paper.
Evening paper.
Evening paper.
Evening paper. An evening paper is a daily newspaper that is typically printed in the afternoon or early evening and distributed for people to read in the evening. These types of newspapers usually contain news stories that have happened later in the day, as well as sports scores, event listings, and other timely information. Evening papers used to be more common before the advent of the internet and 24-hour news channels, but some cities still have them today, often as a complement to their morning edition.